Town Speak. What does the town say?
Ay tala, parang medyo lagpas yung lipstick.
Oo nga no, thanks Priscilla, girl ka talaga.
Syempre naman, bilang babae, tayo rin ang unang magtutulungan.
Eh, ang fellow tabs kaya, girls din? Halina tanungin natin sila kung ano nga ba ang kahulugan at kahalagan nito para sa kanila. Dito sa Town Speak, What does the town say?
Throughout history, women have experienced struggles that only they have had to face.
So it's only natural for us to support each other during hard times. Dahil sino pa nga ba ang ating masasandalan kundi ang ating kapwa babae?
So let's ask our fellow Tamaraos, what is the essence of being a girl's girl?
Just by the name, I think that the essence of being a girl's girl is just truly helping the women around you in any way that you can. Obviously, in a way that doesn't compromise your own values and your happiness and what brings you comfort, but in a way that uplifts others. I think that in today's time, it's so important that we constantly work towards uplifting women. You know, like it's so challenging to stay kind and empathetic in such a fast-paced world. It would just make a world of a difference if we really take the time to be more gentle towards each other and towards our fellow women.
I think the essence of being a girl's girl is for women. You know, it's like parang companionship with each other even though you're not very close with one another. For example, when you're like in a comfort room, tapos like nakita kang girl and you ask them for assistance, they always come through.
It's like having the essence of a girl's girl is to support one another and understanding each other. But it doesn't mean the essence of being a girl's girl is merely about gender, but about a symbolization of women empowerment, unity, mutual respect, and trust.
What does it mean to be a girl's girl? Well, syempre, like, we have to help each other. Kasi nga, nobody will help us. Kasi the world sees us as something like lower. Lower beings na tayo sa kanila. So like, kung tayo yung mag-aaway-aaway, talagang hindi tayo aangat.
You know what, Les? Sobrang heartwarming talaga ng mga ganitong kwento, no?
True. At kung iisipin mo, itong term na girl's girl, isa siya sa mga hakbang patungo sa women empowerment, no?
Eh, ano naman kaya ang pananaw ng mga Tamaraw patungkol dito?
Yes, I definitely do. Like, as I said, being a girl's girl means uplifting each other in any way that we can. And so, with that being said, this would definitely lead to improvements and developments within women empowerment, you know. There's nothing that encouragement and kindness.
I think it's the very first step towards women empowerment. Kasi parang siyang values na tinuturo natin towards each other. You know, na every time you see another woman, safe to, you can reach out to them and ask for help.
Yes, certainly. Kasi a step towards women empowerment since it means uplifting each other, having to empower our own self-esteem. But since it is women empowerment, this month is not just about women for me, but for all genders that supports femininity and having to be reminded what they should be capable and that we shouldn't hold ourselves back from our best.
Yeah, absolutely. Kasi nga, like I said, lower beings na tayo. So kung tayo pa yung mag-aaway, hindi tayo uunlad as a woman, as a girl, hindi tayo may encourage to do what we want to do. Kasi nga, ang tingin nila sa atin, ay babae ka, hindi mo magagawa yan. Kasi bakit? Mahina ka. Diba? Kung ganun yung maririnig natin, tapos ganun din yung maririnig natin sa kapwa babae, ma-repeat siya through generations. So, ang makikita lang nila, mga lalaki yung malalakas, sila yung matatalino. Well, there are women sa bahay na nagluluto lang, pero they have so much potential. Ang dami nilang kayang gawin, pero they're just being limited because of society and what people perceive them to be.
Nakaka-inspire talagang marinig ang kanilang mga kwento. Ang sarap maging babae at suportahan ang kapwa kababaihan.
Ano man ang ating pinagdaraanan o na-a-achieve, palaging nariyan ng ating mga girls para tayo ay samahan.
Mula sa FEU Advocate, Happy International Women's Month! I am Blasilla Mercado.
And I am Kristen Puno at narito kami hindi lang para makinig kundi para maging boses nyo rin sa mga usaping dapat bigyan pansin.
This is Tam Speak. What does the Tam say?